In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SMTP in Zoho Mail. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho website. Head over to www.zoho.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the sign in button to proceed. It's important that you have your Zoho account credentials handy, as you'll need them to continue. After you've successfully logged into your Zoho account, you'll be directed to the Zoho homepage. This is your central hub for accessing all the Zoho services available to your account. From here, look for the Mail application. You'll usually find it among other Zoho services. Go ahead and click on Mail to open your Zoho Mail dashboard. Next, navigate your way to the top right corner of the Zoho Mail interface, where you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Look through the options and select Profile, which will take you to a page dedicated to managing your account settings. At this point, you're inside your profile settings. The next destination is the Security section. Locate and click on Security from the list of available options. Security settings are crucial as they protect your account and ensure you're compliant with the latest security standards. As you explore the security page, you'll find several options related to account protection. Look for app passwords. This is where the magic happens. App passwords allow you to use external applications like email clients while maintaining account security. If you try to access this feature and find that you need to upgrade your account, follow the prompts to ensure your account has the necessary permissions. Now, in the app passwords section, you should see an option that says generate new password. Click on it to proceed. This generates a unique password specifically for SMTP configuration, enhancing both convenience and security. Be sure to name the password something descriptive so you know it's for enabling SMTP, and write it down as you might need it later. And there you have it. These are the steps you need to follow to enable SMTP in Zoho Mail. By ensuring that your configurations are correctly set up, you're allowing for a smoother, more secure communication flow. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the setup, Zoho's support resources can be a helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.